Today we will talk about a company called Zydus Wellness. This company is into FMCG business, and we'll analyze this stock. We'll analyze this stock in depth analysis of the fundamental analysis as well as what it has a future potentials. So first of all, so currently this particular stock is trading at 1561 rupees a share, and if you see the trading volumes, let's say uh, 20-day average volume is close to 42,000. Dividend yield is still less of 0.32%, and if you talk about the 52-week high, it is 2476 rupees, and low is 1430 rupees. And if we talk about the face value, currently the company has a face value of 10 rupees a share, which means in future also the company has a potential. If company will grow, it can announce a stock split as well, where you'll be getting benefited. We'll talk about the corporate actions. So we'll find that gives usually once in a full year, once the company declares for the dividend, that may be final dividend or interim dividend, and it is close to 5 rupees per share. It doesn't have any history of bonus and splits as well. And this company is a small cap company, and we'll also discuss about what all products it has and how it is disrupting the FMCG market. So if we talk about the financials, let's say, so if it is the chart pattern, first of all, let's see the chart pattern. So going from 2009, the share was trading at 247 rupees. Till now, it is, and the high is around close to 24,500, and now it is trading as 1,500 rupees, right? 1,530 rupees. So it has given a return of around more than 600%, and if we talk about financial statements, let's talk about the finances, the complete fundamental analysis. Higher than industry revenue growth. Over the last 5 years, revenue has grown at a rate of 34% versus industry average is 8%. And the stock also has increasing market share, which has increased from 0.71% to 2%. Industry net income is lower as of now. So on an average, industry have 9%, but for this stock it is 2.83%, close to 3% as of now. So let's come into the financials. So revenue, if you talk about like last few years, like let's say last 4 or 5 years, if you see, so on financial year 2019, the revenue was close to 800 881 crores of revenue, which was increased to 1777 crores in 2020. Then on 2021 it is close to 1875, and on 2022 it is more than 2000 crores. 2000 crores. So we can see simultaneously on year basis, revenue is growing, and it was from 2019 to 2020, revenue has grown by just double. If you see about the net income in the similar time period, the income has not been doubled, like whereas revenue has been there. So it is like for net income 169 after all taxes, 169 crores of profits. Then on 2020 it is 141 crores, and 121 it is 118 crore, and on 2022 now its margin is simultaneously getting increased close to 300 crores, right? And let's if you check about the balance sheet, so it has assets worth of close to, as of now it is more than 5,000 crores of assets, and its total liability is close to 1,000 crore. If you see about long term debt, And until that company has simultaneously decreased. It was having on 2021, on 2020 it was having 1500 crores of new investments, and which has simultaneously decreased to 312 crore as of now, financial year 2022 closing, 2021 sorry. And this was, so it is companies, so we can say they say this, that the company is trying to be debt free as soon as possible. Total equity, so the equity ratio is also pretty much good as of now. Total equities you can see 4500 crores, and debt is 1098 crores. So yeah, lower than the industry debt to equity ratio. Over the last 5 years, debt to equity ratio has been 22% versus industry average is 60%, right? So higher than industry current ratio. In the last 5 years, current ratio has been 270%, when industry average is 120%. Right? If you see about the cash flows or reserves, we can see the free cash flow company has increased in last 4 5 years a lot. 5 years before it was 46 crores, and now it is 266 crores of free cash flow. This free cash is just kept with the company, so company can announce, you can expect company can announce bonus shares, or it can distribute through dividend as well. But as of now, company is aiming towards, since this company is a small cap, this company is aiming towards becoming a mid cap, and maybe they can further, they can grow to large cap as well. This company, we can see it has some potential to grow in the, its figure says that, right? So if we talk about the holdings in the company, so this is a very important part. So let's see, yeah, we can see that promoters have 64.82, close to 65% of the holdings. Mutual funds have invested here in a small cap, right? 9% of the holdings have mutual funds have that. Other domestic institution have close to 16%, 15.95, 16% of holding. Insurance firms 3.31, and others are to 12%, more than 12% of. Even FIIs are also invested in this company. And if you say retails, 4.4%, other parties is 3%. And if you see about the difference in the holding in the June 2021 to 2022, I can see promoter holdings remain same. Mutual funds 7% here, then other domestic institution has 3%, and other parties 17%. Okay, so the other parties have sold their equities, and those equities were grabbed by the domestic institution and mutual funds, I can assume, in the last 5 years, right? In the last 1 year. So we can see this has a strong, potential to grow. And let's talk about what kind of products this company makes. Zydus Wellness. So if we see about that particular thing, um, you can see all the listed brands here. So yeah, Complan. From the very childhood, we were able to see that Complan advertisements in the television, as well as sugar free is one of the renowned product. Even nowadays, in every home, if there is a diabetic patient, you can find sugar free would be there. Glucon D, their flagship product, one of the flagship product is Glucon D. At the time of every summers, we used to buy Glucon D or glucose. Then Nicel is one of their flagship product. Ever use Nutrilite, right? Sugarlite. These are their own brands. Okay, so now if I talk about what is my view on this particular stock, so I feel this company currently have around close to market cap of 9,000 crores of my market cap. It's a small cap company, and I feel this company is having potential to grow from here to next 5 to 10 years. It can grow to, I think, to more than 50,000 crores. So As you can see, the it has a lot of potential because of these all reasons, because they're some of the, because if you see about the there are some of the products which is like sugar free, Nycil and all, Glucon D, you will not find much competitors available in the market, as well as it, uh, it is a kind of, you can say, monopoly in its own areas. So I feel that this is not a advice to buy a stock, as I'm not a SEBI registered advisor. This is just analysis, and investments are completely at your own risk. Please do consult your financial advisor before making an investment. Thank you so much.